What I'll do is weld up in there first and then back here, and then I'll hammer all that into place so it's nice and flat.
That's like art. No, we just tighten it.
I just clamp that and I'll tack this in, then I'll clamp it over here and tack that in, and then we start hammering it into shape.
Nice. So what happened is the line that runs here, it goes back to the rear windshield wiper squirter and wiper blade. We just cut it, and it decided to take a leak everywhere and onto the piece we're about to weld into the floor. That's where we're at. But so let me take it back here to 2007, 8. There's no windshield wiper. We shaved that smooth. There's no squirter up here. Shave that smooth. And over here, what? Maybe this side. One of the sides is Justy and the Subaru had holes in it, so we shaved that smooth as well. So now we're dealing with it leaking everywhere. Well, how we doing here, Joe?
Just being a little bastard.
Oh, it's supposed to be PG here.
That floor is so thin. I keep going through it.
Uh-oh.
So I'm a grinder today, not a welder. I keep turning this thing down and it's still going through.
Oh, no. Turn it down some more. What are we doing with that?
We want this gap nice and tight. See that weld already broke off of that floor, it's so thin.
Yeah, see that?
Don't criticize my welds, I am not a pro and this is not a good example.
Yes. Beat it.
See how it's shaped up a little bit though?
Yeah, looks great. How are we looking?
That's enough for now. I can't keep bending it down like that.
That's enough for now. There's the patch. Fully welded around.
It ain't fully welded yet.
Almost fully welded. Getting there. That's what he cut out of there.
Not bad for
Pretty precise.
having sparks blown in my face.
Nice. And weld this seam that he trimmed and made flush. The masked man.
This is gonna suck too.
Looks like it's going to. Just let me know when you want it to not suck and I'll do it. I look right at that.
Yeah, don't look at the weld.
Smaller clamp, as the big clamp doesn't clamp.
And don't focus on them welds.
Oh yeah, no focusing on the welds at all. And then I repeat Joe after he tells me. I used a small clamp. Cut it off at the end of the beginning of the first video, the last video.
It sucks because
And
it's an auto dimming helmet, and this light keeps tripping it.
No, that's not good.
It's annoying.